Hey everybody, Pandi here coming through with the April 2021 Cocotique teaser. You all, if you want to see the full unboxing and full review of these products, stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, double tap that notification bell so that you are notified each and every time that new content is uploaded to this channel. Cocotique is a monthly subscription service that I review here each month on the channel. And if you are natural and you're looking for great products, be sure to visit the description box of this video so that you can take full access of my discount code, which can be found in the description box of this video. If you are a content creator, be sure to come on by my channel on Friday evenings at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time so that you can cross support and meet your fellow content creators and mix and mingle, shake hands, meet a friend. But again, I want to thank you all for taking a moment to click on this video. Again, this is the Cocotique April 2021 sneak teaser video. Until next time, stay safe, stay encouraged, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!